There's a place through the deep woods, a place where y'all might wanna go. There's one hell of a fishing hole, so you better grab your gear and pull. But first you better stay tuned, cause this might change your day. Cause this is 80K Adirondack Fishing Adventures. Hi, I'm your host, Casey Comstock.
And I'm your co-host, Josh Allen.
And you're watching 80K Adirondack Fishing Adventures. And today, we're going to be fishing the Chateaugay River, making our way to High Falls on one trout adventure you're not going to want to miss. It's a little extreme. And just saw a huge bear track. So it's a little crazy. So here's hoping that I don't find the bear. So I've come to a really cool spot to fish. This is a level 10 on difficulty to get down to. So this is my co-host, Mr. Allen, has a nice little brown on right now coming down through this too. And this is just amazing. It's about an 80-foot deep canyon. What a beautiful trout he's got on too. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. Coming down right now. And it's gone. One thing too is about this rocky edge, you gotta watch out for gigantic spiders. I don't know what kind of spiders they are, but I really don't want them to bite me. They're huge. Got that Rapala on? You drag it. You go way down with it and go super slow with the retrieval.
Oh, there we go, folks. We got one on right here, right off the bat. A little fella, but he's on there. See if I can get him so we can let him go. Little rainbow. We're gonna let him go now.
So we've moved up to a beautiful spot here on the Chateaugay as we make our way to High Falls. Just look at how the canyon comes in. This fishing spot is at least 10 feet deep. And we worked up a long ways on what I consider a level 10 stream. It's definitely difficult to get down here. But with hope, it comes with great reward. Well, here's this cliff. And yeah, I'm gonna try to make it over the top of this cliff. Yeah, there's a co-host for you right here. You know, I'm gonna start calling him Grizzly because we're working our way down a river and this is just crazy. Hey, what do you think? Crazy?
I think we need a bridge.
So I moved up to Chateaugay now as I'm making my way to High Falls, and I got to a part that is definitely worth it now. The whole structure of this river changes. It's beautiful rapids. There's deep cut edges. Just awesome. I know that spot down below, it looked really nice. We did tip a few trout in there, my co-host and I, Mr. Allen. But it's really hot today. And I'm pretty sure that when he tipped them, it made a little ruckus in the hole, so. There, I'm in position now. We're both using the F5. You gotta remember, when you come down this, you gotta come down really fast. Just by reading the river, you can tell. I gotta cast up right along the side here. Coming down really fast, the F5. This right here is definitely good spinner territory too. So using things like your Panther Martins, your Blue Foxes, this is all good territory. There we go. Nice little brookie, just like that. Right out of that hole. Woo! Look at that. Right on that F5, I told you that. Right there. Wow, nice little brookie right there, right out of the Chateaugay on its way up to High Falls. Beautiful color. I'm letting it go. There it goes. Woo! We're walking up the Chateaugay and we have come up to a spot that is just magnificent. And as a fisherman for 25 years, this is the type of spot that you want to hit. A deep cut edge on the backside right here. All little streams coming into this. This is just amazing right here. And for this stream, it is unbelievable. My co-host and I, we're both using F5s. And we almost know, in all our feelings, we're gonna pull a nice fish right here. I'm gonna let him get his first cast while I adjust my drag. My drag is just too tight. He's got a beautiful cast right here.
Start recording.
This is definitely where it's at. Nice cast right up along the bank right up here. We're gonna slowly work this up and see if we can't pull this nice trout out of here. You can see the little deeper it is, a little slower the top of the water moves, but you can look up above and see the rapids coming into this pool. And honestly, I know there's a trout right here. Just know it. I'm slowing down my retrieval just a little bit. Beautiful cast right there. Oh, just had a nice little bite. Oh, there it is. Really nice one. Really nice. Oh yeah. This is why we do this, guys. Right here. Coming up. Oh yeah. We just knew that was in there. Oh yeah. Look at it go. Oh, wicked. This thing just pounded it. Oh, beautiful color. Wicked color. Yeah. Wow, just come up and just slam this lure. Wow, just a monster right here. Nice one right there, guys. Well, you know, this is why we do it in here. This is a monster. Oh yeah. Time to let him go. This is deep. Nice deep spot. We're just waiting for that one monster to hit this. And let me tell you, there's a spot coming up you're gonna want to stay tuned to. 3.5 hours walking cliffs and journeying for trout, and now we come to a 200-foot waterfall here at High Falls. We're getting ready to fish this spot. It is so beautiful. Don't miss what's to come.
There's one, folks. A little brown, looks like a brown, looks like a brown. Nice little brown here on ADK.
All right, we're gonna catch and release them now. Work them back right in the water. There he goes. Nice little release. There we go. We got a nice one. Nice rainbow right at the base. Now we're talking. Wow. Look at this thing. This thing is just crazy full of energy. Now that's a nice rainbow right here on ADK. Look at that. Just caught a nice rainbow right under this. So beautiful here. We're definitely gonna hit one on this. I just saw one just come right up to my feet. Look at that, my co-host just hit that rainbow that chased mine in. We're gonna get it off the hook, we're gonna show you. Look at some of the colors on these fish that we're getting today. Such a beautiful rainbow. There's another one right out of this hole. We're gonna let it go though. My co-host just got another nice one on. Just fighting these little rainbows. Look at this. Right on the F5. Such a dependable lure. As we conclude our day here on the Chateaugay, you can see that our travels and our adventures have great rewards. So remember, there's a bite around every corner here on ADK. Adirondack Fishing Adventures.